Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix WhatsApp business update pending problem solve. Google Play Store used by over 2.5 billion individuals to download apps, games and other according to reports. Have you faced download pending error while installing an app from Google Play Store? The issue suffering when user attempt multiple apps download together or when many apps update simultaneously. There are ways to resolve download pending error. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click Settings. Click Apps. Then click App Management. Find Play Store. Click Google Play Store. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Click Back. Find WhatsApp Business app. Click WhatsApp Business app. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Then turn off Wi-Fi. Turn on again. Open Google Play Store. Click Profile. Click Settings. Click Network Preference. Then click App Download Preference. Select over any network. Click Back. Then search WhatsApp Business app. Click WhatsApp Business app. If you get any update, please update. As you can see, my problem is solved. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.